How to change profile picture of Messenger without Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss whether you can really change the profile picture on Messenger without changing it on Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand. And if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Messenger app. Tap on your profile. If under your profile picture you see a camera option, that means you can change your profile picture on Messenger. But if you can't see a camera option, that means you have one of the latest versions of the Messenger app. In the old versions of the Messenger app, there was an option to change the profile picture without changing it on Facebook. But it is no longer there, so that means you can't change the profile picture of Messenger without Facebook.